Hello, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Redesign Engineering. Today I'll show how to easily uh, sketch a circle inside and outside of a triangle and also in a square. So you are watching, this one is the inside circle into the square, and this one is the outside circle into the square, and here it is the inside circle of a triangle, and this one is the outside circle of a triangle. So let's go into stars. See, at first I'm going here, rectangle is selecting, then click here, and okay, before going to I'm taking this one is the 0. So now, or I can select this one is the step points. Okay, then going here, rectangle is taken, click, and I'm taking this one is the 10 by 10, 10 comma 10. See, this one is the square. See, then I'm going to the circle and I'm taking the 3-point circle. So how can do it? One click, another click, and another click. Now done. Again, going here, taking the rectangle, click here, 10 comma 10. Done. Then again going here and 3-point circle is taken. 1 point click here, another point and another point. Now done the outside circle. Now selecting whole things, press the M, enter, and I want to move it, okay, center to center, and this done. Then another one, going to the polygon, and I want to enter number of sides is 3, then enter, and I'm taking this one is a 10 and inscribe circle. Okay, here it's showing here. So I'm again going to the polygon, and this one will be the 3. Press the 3 from the keyboard, then enter, then one click is here, then inscribe circle, click the inscribe circle and sketch a circle. It's 10. So specify radius of circle, the radius of circle is taken the 10. So done. See, or I can take this one is the 4. Again I can see, going to here, polygon, here putting the 3, then enter, then click and inscribe the circle, and circle radius will be the 5. Okay, then see, when it will be 5, then this one, then going here, see, going here, 3-point circle is taken, one click midpoint of the sides, another click is here, and another click is here. Now inside circle is drawn. Similar way, going here, polygon is taken, put the 3 from the keyboard, then enter, then click and inscribe in circle, and the specify the radius is 5. Okay, done. Then going here, 3-point circle is taken. One click on this corner, another click on this corner, and another click on this corner. Now done. I think got it everybody. Selecting this one, then M for moving, click and center to center, center to center, and distance up to here. Okay. Now I'm selecting whole things, move, enter, and midpoint. Here also the midpoint, and going to up to here. Okay, done. See, this one is done. Then I'm going to the text, multi-text is taken. This one, okay, writing a sketch inside and outside circle into in score. Okay, and selecting whole things, taking this one is 2.5. Okay, done. And another things, going here, multi-text is taken, click here and going here, sketching here, sketch, circle, circle, inside, circle, inside and outside of triangle, triangle. Okay, selecting whole things and taking this as a 2.5. Then done, and this one is taking the off, enter, and selecting whole things, change the color, and by layer, taking this one is no, this one cyan, and also selecting this one, taking the cyan color. See, I think got it everybody. If you think that you are benefited by watching this video. Oh, another thing is I'm going to determine the dimension. Going here, radius is taken, selecting this one, and also selecting this circle, and selecting this circle, selecting this circle. See, and going here also linear dimension is taken, and the dimension from here to here, sorry, dimension from here to here 10, and this one is also from here to here, so to 10, and going here align is taken, and see here to here 8.66. Thank you everybody for watching this video. If you think that you are benefited by watching this video, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get the new videos.